Okay, total and lateral surface area for rectangular prisms. You're going to need to find the formulas on your formula chart. So surface area for prisms is right here. Here's the lateral formula. Here's the total formula. All right, so we're starting with rectangular prisms. This example here is a rectangular prism. The lateral faces are shaped as rectangles, and the shape of the base is a rectangle. So when all the faces are rectangles, it's a rectangular prism. And the same thing with volume, the height connects the two bases. So we have lateral surface area with this formula, total surface area with this formula. We have a new letter, capital P, and capital P is for the perimeter of the base. And we still have big B, and big B is still for the area of the base. The difference between lateral and total is that the lateral does not include the bases. Lateral does not include the bases. All right, we're going to work a few examples. All right, so to use our formulas, we need to find the perimeter of the base, the height, and the area of the base. So I'm just going to use the bottom face for the base, and the perimeter, I'm just going to add up the outside edges. So I have 2 20s and 2 8s. That's going to give me a perimeter of 56 centimeters. Height connects the two bases, so we have a height of 16. The area of the base is going to be length times width, 20 times 8. So my base, area of my base, it was a rectangle, and there we go. So now we can use our formulas. So to find the lateral surface area is perimeter of the base times the height, and we just figured those out. That's 56 and 16. Multiply that together, and I get 896 centimeters squared because we're talking about area, so we're back to square units. So my lateral surface area is 896. To find the total surface area, starts off the same formula, and then we add the two bases. So we've already done this part here, and that was 896. To add my two bases, it's going to be 2 times 160. And that's going to give me 320. So when I add all that together, my total surface area is 1,216 centimeters squared. Our second example, again, we need the perimeter of the base. That's my outside edges of the base added up. So that's 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3, and that gives me 18 centimeters. Height connects the two bases. That's 4 centimeters. Area of the base, my base shape is still a rectangle, so that's length times width, which is going to be 6 times 3, which is 18 centimeters squared. To find the lateral surface area, it's perimeter of the base times the height, and that is 18 times 4. So my lateral surface area is going to equal to 72 centimeters squared. My total surface area formula starts off the same. We already did that part. That was 72 plus 2 of the bases. So I have 72 plus 36. So my total surface area is 108 centimeters squared.